again. So I'm on the same road, snowy road, just at the border with the US. I entered Canada a couple of minutes ago, and I had a surprise on the road, full of snow. I'm driving on the Highway 4. Now I'm going to go right on Highway 36, and now the road is pretty clear. The snow was pushed away by the snowplows, but I don't know what I'm going to have on Highway 36, which is a side road.
Turn right on Alberta 36 North.
Turn right on Highway 36.
I can see that another truck is turning right on that road. It's pretty slick, still pretty slick. The roads are slick, but I'm heavy. I'm 77 pounds almost, so close to the
right on Alberta 36
limit
North.
for the
Signs
US.
Alberta 504 East Tabor.
Sorry about the image. So let's see how this road looks like. Oopsie, my front went a bit
Continue on Alberta 36
sideways.
North.
Continue on Highway 36.
My steer axle went sideways a little. So this is a side road. And I don't know. It's used, but not much. Let's see. Power. Pedal to the metal. Let's see. Goes sideways or not? Oh. No wonder. No wonder. What I did. Yeah, let's put some heat on the windshield. My God. No spray from the wheels, so from my axles I can't see any spray of water. So that means that it's frozen. It's frozen, guys. I can't believe it. I don't have time for this kind of weather. I want to be in Winnipeg tomorrow, early tomorrow. But I think that plan, if the road will stay like this, that plan will not going to work. Hey. Yeah. And the wind is still blowing hard. The wind is blowing hard. In the morning at the truck stop that I stopped, they didn't have any power in Montana. I was 30 minutes away from the border and no power because of the wind. Power lines were down somewhere. Yeah. But luckily, I have my own coffee maker and I didn't have any problems. I ate good, drink nice coffee. There was another driver that was having his cup in his hand, and he was upset that they didn't have power for him to drink a coffee. Come on, when you are doing regional or long haul, or you'll have to have everything with you. Yeah, be prepared. Be prepared. prepared for the weather to screw you at some point. So, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what you want to hear, what you don't want to hear from me. Maybe I'm speaking bullshit. So I can't go that fast. No. It's the end of the winter. All the winter was okay for me. I don't want now to screw it over. It is what it is, yeah? That's life. Oopsie daisy. Here I don't want to go too fast. So again, I don't want to bother you that much with this video and speak too much. Subscribe, give me a like or a dislike, comment, and I'll show you in the next one. Hopefully I will going to show you nice sceneries without snow. I got and I had this winter enough snow. I didn't post that much because I was focused on driving on the snow, not filming on snow. Maybe next winter I will post more about the winter roads and how snow is in Canada and how much snow is in Canada, because I was driving on some pretty slick roads.